Is that the construction of the gravesite has really advanced at this point in time. You recall that yesterday there were still the challenges of digging, but also later in the evening they were able to get to the point of starting to build it, to lay the slab, and now they've done the courses that they require to do so. And now we understand that they are just waiting for it to cure for a few minutes to a few hours so that they can be ready to go ahead and do the tiling. But also you can see the very many people that have been here taking keen interest in following the proceedings, the status of it. We have a gentleman here. He is the Chief Executive Officer of the National Construction Authority, Engineer Maurice Akech. Good morning, and it's good to see you at this time. Perhaps you can tell us about what it has taken the last couple of hours of the night.
Thank you, Sam. We've been here the whole night trying to prepare this final resting place for Baba. We are very well on course and the progress is very good. Since yesterday, of course, as you can see, yesterday by evening, we were preparing the floor down there. Now we've lifted the walling and we are now in the final stages of putting the finishes on the floor and the walls, and then we'll be done so that we are ready for tomorrow. So this is a very significant moment for us in history because we are here to witness the construction of this very important facility that will carry Baba for the rest, what we call eternity. Yeah.
And perhaps for those that may be concerned about the safety of the walls, knowing that you've done how many courses? Are they 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 within a very short time? How have you ensured the integrity of the walls?
Well, since last evening, we've been lifting the courses in stages. Of course, we are following every other stage or every other standard that is necessary in construction of a walling like this one. And given the circumstances, we are giving time to set or what we call ishikane before we continue. So we'll be doing 3 courses, then another 3 courses, then 1 early morning. Now we've just done the preliminary plasters to prepare the surface and ready for tiling. And because the wall is very short, to the extent that the structural strength of this particular material you're using is able to accommodate that particular structural stability. Because if you look at it, it's short and then also the length is accommodative. It's not a normal building which is normally very long. Yeah. The walls are very long. So this, because the corners are very close, they're also able to support one another. So that has given us advantage of hastening the pace in terms of putting one layer on top of another. So we're good in terms of safety.
And obviously you will see, I don't know if you can spread a little bit so that you can see how the ground looks like, because there was a tree here. Just move a bit. There was a tree that stood here. It was removed